G'day folks. The other day I came across a tool that I've never used. It was bought for a job that I think it must have never happened. So this video is about using that tool. And it's a face grooving tool. Something I've never done before. So this is a real first. There we've just cleaned up the front face of the thing. And now we're going in with the facing tool. I'm having to use a drill, because it's the only thing that will represent anything like what I'm doing here with the facing tool. That's a look at the facing tool. It's a big blob that holds on the end of a rod that holds the insert. This holder also holds small boring bars, I believe. Here's the parting tool. It just parts off and then it goes back to position as a stop for the material. This is just some leftover 7/8 hex bar I'm using here. There seems to be a lot of that in my place since I've retired. That was just a 7mm drill poking a hole in the thing. This is an 80-degree insert, just basically facing the whole thing off. And here is the face grooving tool. I was really impressed. Maybe I'm just easily impressed, I don't know. But it seems to have done a really nice job. Even made it go back and put a little chamfer on the outer edge. Yeah, really quite pleased with this, because as I say, I've never done it before. So there we go, that's my first attempt at creating a face groove. And I've got to admit, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm really surprised. If you're still here, thank you for watching.